My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, we're again talking about a dent conference. Do this fast, otherwise you lost, friends. A lot of people doing mistake at this time, friends. As I told you in the previous videos that don't do this mistake, but except of these, a lot of people do this mistake, friends. So do this fast, otherwise you lost. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe. Please take channel for more news and updates, friends. If we talk about the currently price of Dent coin, so the currently price at this time price of Dent coin is about 0.011015 USD dollar is the currently price of Dent coin, friends. If we talk about the prices occur in the Dent coins, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week change is positive, friends. That's mean that only positive change occur in the Dent coin in the start of new month and the previous month only jump occur in the Dent coin, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the last 4 hour, friends. As you can see here, as I told you that only jumps occur in the Dent coin, friends. Absolutely very nice change occur. I like this kind of change, friends. The last 4 hour change as positive 2.22% positive, and the highest price of the Dent coin is about 0.011015 USD dollar is the highest price of Dent coin, friends. If we talk about the price, currently live price in the market of Bitcoin to 0.011115 USD dollar is the currently price of Bitcoin live in the market, friends. So if you want to buy, so that is the price of Bitcoin, friends. Now, friends, what should we do? Otherwise, you lost, friends. Now, a lot of people take a decision at this time that they're going to sell it at this time, friends. You are exactly not in lost because the price change whole is positive, friends. Last 1 month, last 1 week change is gonna positive, friends. So you are not in lost, but you take a less profit except of high profit, friends. Understand? You take a less profit on the place of high profit, friends. If you sell at this time 10 coins, so they will give you a low amount of profit, and if you sell your Dent coin within in the last of this month, friends, so I hope they will give you a good amount of profit, and that's a benefit decision for all of you. Don't sell it at this time, friends. Wait for the last of this month, friends. What's your opinion about Dent coin? Please share in the comment box. I make a decision on the technical analysis, friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. And kindly, friends, remember to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates.